Hi.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name is Jessica. What is your name?
My name is Ali. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from UK. And you?
I am from Jordan. How old are you?
I am 25 years old. And you?
I am 26 years old. What are you doing for living?
I am an English teacher. What about you?
I am a dentist.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watching TV. What about you?
Me too. I like reading books. And also, I like listening to music.
Good. What kind of music do you like?
I like listening to quiet music.
Great. Are you single?
Yes, I am single. What about you?
I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 2 kids.
So, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is grilled chicken. What about you?
I like seafood.
Cool. Are you free this afternoon?
Yes, I am. Why?
Would you like to drink a coffee with me?
That sounds great. Where should we go?
How about the cafe on Main Street?
Perfect. What time?
Let's meet at 3 p.m.
All right. See you then.
See you.